happening right now because we don't have a light source. So we're going to go material. So this sensor one that we made earlier, we're going to go ahead and change this to an emission. You can change it to a yellow emission if you want to match the spikes. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add a plane at the bottom, just so that we can see some of that light refraction coming in, because sometimes if I do this, you can't really see it. So I'm going to press G, and just get that base just right there. So this one is currently on the build mode, and this one is on the render mode. So if we just click the sensor again, and we turn up the strength right here, you can see that we get light. So we've got this nice little shiny kind of chandelier thing going on, and we've got this light coming through. But to be honest with you, I'd like to get some glass in there. So what I'm going to do, and this is going to be a little bit fiddly, this is going to be a bit tricky. We're going to take the entire thing and we're going to duplicate it, and then we're going to, instead of 45, I believe it's 22.5, we're going to just rotate the entire thing. So this is going to take some time when you've got this, just to change everything out, but it'll be worth it in the end. So I'm just going to take this off the render mode just for 1 second, so we can see what's going on with this one. Okay, so now we need to select every single spike that's on the outside. We can box select this, just drag. Pressing your left cursor, just drag. Now you notice that these ones have just unselected from what I had if I just go back there. So what we're going to do is hold shift. And then we'll just go ahead and make sure that we've selected all of these. Make sure the side ones are also selected. And we will take this, and I believe 45, if we do 45 divided by 2, 22.5, yeah. Okay, so Shift D, leave it where it is, rotate, and you want to go on the Z axis, make sure that you're assigned to that one, and you want to press 22.5. And now you've got this nice big spiked ball. So what we're going to do with this, we're going to create essentially a new material. So if we go to edit mode, and this might be a little bit tedious, a little bit weird. So this one right here is the one that's currently selected. You can see this with the lines. And also we've got one in the middle right here that we have additionally. So you can see this kind of clipping going on right here. We want to go ahead and just press delete on that one. And then there's another clip just there until, just press delete until you eventually get to a point where you don't have any more clippings, because we don't want clippings. You know what I mean? It's just kind of part of this design that those are going to appear. So we're going to take this one, go to edit mode, we'll press A to select everything, so we can see that we've got everything selected right here. We're going to press plus, and we're going to go new, and this one will be glass.